Hello respectable audience, some sharp and genius people calculated the answer 1 by just looking it, but remember that 1 is not correct. We have 25 plus 20 plus 5 divided by 5 times 10. First of all, handle this parenthesis, so we will get 25 plus 25 divided by 5 times 10. Now 25 plus 25 gives us 50 divided by 5 times 10, so 50. This will give us 50. 50 divided by 50 gives us 1, and that is the answer I am talking about, that most genius and sharp-minded people have calculated in their minds just by looking this question. But remember that one answer is not correct because we have done a lot of mistakes to handle this question. Now we have to remove those mistakes and solve it again according to correct way. So let us solve it again according to correct way. First of all, we have to solve parentheses. Okay, parentheses will become 25, then divided by 5 times 10. Now 25 plus 25 is wrong. 5 times 10 is wrong. 25 divided by 5 is correct. Why this operation has been carried out first? Because we are obeying PEMDAS. Parenthesis, we have solved it. Exponent, we don't have any exponent in this question. Multiplication, division, that is the key point in this question. So must learn it. Multiplication and division both are same, but we have to move from left to right. It is at left and multiplication is at right. So division will be carried out first because it is at left. If multiplication were at left, we have to solve multiplication. Now here is division, so we have to divide first and then multiplication, then finally this addition. So 25 as it is plus 25 divided by 5 gives us 5 times 10. Now again I am repeating that don't add first because multiplication has higher priority over addition. So 25 as it is, and 5 times 10 gives us 50, which will be further solved to get 75 as correct answer for this simple oral math problem. Thank you.